population of 10,000 in the 1900s to less than 100 in the 1960s. The tamaraw was declared an endangered species.
Ako po si General Pantuyaw, isang Bantay Tamaraw 3 team leader po, naka-assign sa Buayan Malate.
As a special project under the Office of the President to protect the remaining tamaraws. It was later transferred to the DENR in 1987. The Bantay Tamaraw.
Watch of the next generation Tamaraw. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, find out the do's and don'ts of having your very own food truck business. We give you the owner of Sir Chef Food Truck, pioneer in the industry with 11 years of experience.